Hello everyone. Today we are covering machine learning. Let's begin. So basically what is machine learning? It is a branch of artificial intelligence where computers making decisions without being explicitly programmed. Or it can be also defined as machine learning is a subset of AI in which machine learns how to compute a certain tasks without being explicitly programmed to do so. So this is the how we provide input and output to a machine. It learns the patterns that we provided, and then it provides us the output that we expect for the unseen data we provide to the machine. Also, machine learning can be also defined as uh, it is an application of AI that provides system the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. So machine learning is when computers learns from examples and experience like how humans do. Over time, it gets better at solving problems or making predictions. So it is here it is AI, ML and DL. So DL is subset of ML and ML is subset of AI. So it basically stands for AI for artificial intelligence, ML for machine learning, DL for deep learning. And some examples of machine learning are spam email detection, recommendation systems, image recognition and medical diagnosis. Thank you for watching.